Myself, Amar, I have 14 plus years of ERP training as well as real-time experience also. Okay, still I'm working. I'm not quit to that my job, and so I have worked on that some of the industries like mining industry and travel and trade and logistics and the utilities industry. Okay, these are my core competences, ERP consulting, Microsoft technology design and architecture, and I will provide the training, end-to-end implementations, these type of projects and support project, integration related projects I worked on, and these are the roles I have performed. Wait, guess someone is trying to join. Uh, Who got who is joined just now? Because
Adnan.
sorry, Adan. Okay, okay. Yeah, Adan, can you please fill this form? Meanwhile, okay, please fill
Yes,
this form.
hello.
Yeah, Adan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just checking. Like,
Yeah. So, guys, I'm a certified Microsoft trainer and have completed that. What are the latest certifications of the Microsoft completed? And I'm moving to that next slide. So, this is the course details. Then So no need to concentration of the per hour commercial. This is a corporate training purpose, but yours is not done. So I have provided that corporate trainings to that. These are the companies: Sonata Software, Varnas, Alpha Variance, so Centridge, and Alpha Care. So these are that some all of multinational companies. Okay, as of now, I have completed that 34 batches. Lab details is based on needs. I can provide that one. Okay. Thank you for this PPT. Okay, because I don't want to go for that. My side is this is enough. And quickly jump into that demo point of view. So this is a Dynamics 365 F&O technical demo. Okay, we have that two types of designations are there here and two types of jobs in D365. One is that functional and second one is the technical. We can talk about the more about the technical. Okay, Dynamics 365 F&O. Okay, F&O is nothing but finance and operations. Okay, finance and operations. What is this Dynamics 365 F&O? Before coming to the demo, anyone gone through that internet and did you guys get what is the F&O? Any small R&D or have you checked that what is the F&O? Why you are choosing this one? Anyone did this task? No? Guys, please do
Well, it
it.
is an ERP program.
Yeah, it's a very good Kishore. Yeah, it's a ERP. Guys, please before going to that or any movie, we are going to that reviews, right? The same time, this is our
Yes.
career. Yeah, this is our career, right? So we should know about that. What is this one? So based on that, what is the trainer is delivering this thing, we need to know. Okay, but we have a lot of time is there after completion of the demo also you can go through the internet and check that one. Still you have unclarified doubts, you can ask me directly. Okay, yeah. So F&O actually it's a ERP. What is this ERP? Why we are not calling this is a software? Okay, ERP is nothing but a one set of product, guys. Package is different, product is different. This is a product. Enterprise resource planning. Product is nothing but it having that all business scenarios is available. Okay, all business scenarios are available. So what are the all business scenarios? So if I want to raise a one sales order or purchase order, okay, I want to work with that. I would like to start a international business. So I want to establish my company into that outside of India. That time, this automatically this ERP will useful for us. So why I'm saying that all are that a business related one, why I'm not talking about that a software to implement that any website or banking related one or industry related one, anything, because those are the softwares. But this is the ERP. What are the company? Let's example, suppose you can take that one ABC company. Okay, this ABC company having that some banking related one. Okay, and supermarkets, okay, jewelry shops and diamond business and mining business. Okay, a number of businesses are there. But this, so these businesses are using the different softwares, but all these softwares are monitored by ERP. ERP is only talks about the business only. Okay, got this point. Suppose you can go to the banking software is different. Okay, supermarkets, their POS missions are different. But coming to the ERP, we can monitor all these companies' net worth. But banking, we are doing the transaction between the different banks. So those things is not possible here, but we are in the profit or loss. Okay, and banking, where is the our branches are available? So these type of the terminologies we can use it here. Okay, understand? The ERP is nothing but a product. So here completely talks about that product only. Okay, but what we are going to do in that ERP? Dynamics 365. But first of all, what are available ERPs in the market? Any idea, guys? What are the ERPs available?
Yeah, SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft.
Yeah, and the other ERPs also is there, Tally, Epico.
Photo. Yeah.
Yeah, lot of ERPs are there. But why we choose the Dynamics 365 F&O? Lot of ERPs are there. Why we choose the Dynamics 365 F&O? Because it having that lot of market, right? To get into the jobs. That is the first thing. That is our career perspective. But why the clients are choosing Dynamics 365 for projects? Correct. Why they don't want to, why they don't go for that other ERPs? Because of price also. Okay, Dynamics 365 F&O is concentration on that mid-level market. Okay, mid-level market. Compared to other ERPs, price is low and service is the number one services provider. Why does they are providing the service is providing to attract the customers? If you go to that purchasing that any electronic goods or any new item to your house, that time first of all we check with that is the service center is available in your area. But even if that product is very good and it's a number one brand in the world, the service is not available, our mind can get the trigger. We can choose that product or not. Am I correct or not? Are you guys faced this issue previous? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. So depends upon that service also we can choose the product. So the same ERPs also Dynamics 365 and Microsoft is the number one in the market due to that their service. Yeah. Coming back to that our work, what we are going to be do once we got the job, what we are going to be do here? We can do that customizations here. Okay, customization. What is meant by customization? Why I'm not calling about the implementation? Implementation is nothing but from scratch level, guys. Suppose if you want to build up a one banking software, okay, again you can go with that to design that your banking and UML diagrams, blah 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 things, right? But if you go to the customization, it's already existing product. That product we are going to add that extra features based on that our client business needs. Correct? So I'm giving that one real time example. Suppose if it is a festival season is going on, so we are going to that shopping to purchase the new clothes, right? That time We have two options. One is that we can take that cloth materials, and second one is that directly ready made. Okay, ready made, it's a within 10 minutes they can alteration based upon our measurements, they can alter it and it's ready to use. But if you go with that cloth materials, again we need to choose that the tailor, good tailor, and to provide our measurements, and then we need to wait for that, depends upon that time period, right? 15 days or 1 week or 10 days or 2 days, because that is from the scratch. The same thing, the ERP, you can talk about that here. The from scratch level we are not going to do. Here we can do that customization part. Hi Muhammad, can you please fill this form?
Hi Adnan, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks for asking. Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. So please fill this form. Once after fill, you can type a message. Yeah, it's done. Yeah. And Harini, you also. Yeah. Okay. Going back to the here. So customizations is nothing but we are going to be add that new features to existing product. So what is the language we are using here? We are using the H++ language. And what is the base for this H++ language? OOPS concepts. Okay. What are the OOPS concepts? Class, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, overloading, overriding, inheritance, interface. These are the OOPS concepts. Hardly to learn the OOPS concepts, how many hours it will take? It will take 2 to 4 hours, right? 2 to 4 hours to understanding the concept of the OOPS. But to practicing daily, we should practice this one. This course is completely is the coding, guys. Okay, I can't say about that how many hours the coding is available. Okay, we should know about the oops concept, then you are eligible for that this course, guys. Okay, please try to think about that oops concepts from now onwards, then you can definitely understand the dynamics thesis to F&O technical concept. But so what we are going to do here, here we can do that the existing code. First of all we need to read, okay, because we are doing the customization. What is the standard is available? Standard having the 10 lines of code, and simple example, okay, standard having the 10 lines of code, so we are going to add that extra 5 lines to the code. If we add these five extra lines, these 5 lines of code should be relating with that existing 10 lines of code. Without adjusting this one, we can't the program means is that the customization it will not work, because we should know about the 10 lines, then only we can understand. It's a very simple, guys. Suppose we are sometimes we are going to the movies, right? Suppose you and your brother went to the movie, and you joined the movie theater 20 minutes later. Then what we need to ask to our brother, hey, when the movie is started, what is happening before time to, right? Then onwards, once we enter into that screen, from that onwards we can, our mind can relate to that previous story what we missed, and we got the same thing from our brother. Then we can start understanding the from next story. Am I correct or not? This thing is happening in our real time lives, right? It is happening for me also. Guys, understand?
Yes.
Yeah, here
Yes, sir.
also, yeah, here also what doing? The 10 lines of code is written by Microsoft. Okay, the 10 lines of code is written by Microsoft, but our customer is asking that extra functionality. So before adding to the extra functionality, we should understand what the 10 lines of code is doing. Then only we can provide the customization. Without understanding this one to provide, it's a very difficult, guys. So we should know about what is the existing one. Okay, now you understand. So how we can know? Using the oops concepts, and we need to read the existing code like a book. Suppose in our, if I give to that any English or your mother tongue book, we can able to read it and we can understand. The same way we should read the existing code, then we can understand it. Based on that, the business logic will apply. This is not for the Dynamics 365, this is for that any programming language. First of all, we should understand the existing one, then only we can apply it, how the situation is going on. Okay, in Dynamics 365 it's a customizable soft product. That's why we should understand the existing code. The code is a very simple, guys. H++. Anyone coming from that SQL or Oracle background here, or academics also you learn
No,
that
sir.
no? Okay. Anyone? So guys, it's a very simple language. H++ is related to SQL. Hmm? Okay. Yeah. Now we'll see. So who are eligible for this course? Okay, who are eligible? Anyone coming from that BTech, okay, MCA, BSc Computers, MSc Computers, BCom Computers. Okay, these people are eligible to learn this course. Understand? Because in your academics, it having the computer related knowledge is there. And what is the Uh, this one you need the practical, right? Okay, practical part I can talk about that. First of all, I will showcase to that how the Dynamics 365 it look like. Okay, see guys, this is the Dynamics 365 F&O front page. Okay, that means the home page. This is the product what I am talking from that last 20 minutes onwards. So here already the business modules are available. See, accounts payable, so it is having the all talks about the vendors, receivable for customers, asset management, audit workbench. Means it is having the some set of predefined modules provided by Microsoft. Already predefined modules are there, but what we are going to do here, see guys, one thing I can do, give that one simple real-time example. Let's say example, I am going to that accounts payable module and I'm going to that all purchase orders. It takes time, means it's a half minute or like that. Yeah, remaining guys, you already filled that attendance sheet. Who are joined in that little bit late? Muhammad, Adan. Yeah, Adan means you Adan Ansari, right?
Yes, sir, it's me, Adnan Ansari.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay. See guys, this is a all purchase orders. Here, if your customer is adding to that any one of the new field, so these are the fields we can able to see after opening the purchase order. Suppose your customer is adding that one of the new field here, or any other new field in the purchase tab or manage tab, receive tab, create a one button. When I click on this one, I can only able to see that few delivery orders for a particular vendor or approval status. So these type of requirements is your customer is asking. So these customer asking to by whom? With your functional consultant. Functional consultant, what he will do? He should know the business and why the customer is asking, why the customer is asking this requirement. Then he can prepare a document called FDD. We can call it as a functional design document. Okay, functional design document. Then once that FTD is ready, it will come to the technical people. Technical people write the code and fulfill the functional design document, adding the field or filtration, what are the required by the mentioned in the FTD document. And technical people will prepare a document called TDD, technical design document. Okay, this is the same thing is happening in the real time. Okay, your function people will connect with that client and get the requirement. The people they will convert that BRDs into that FDD. That FDD is provided to that technical, and technical will convert it into a technical design document and completed that their design as a assigned task. So this is the happening in the real time. So I believe you understand what we are going to do. Already product is there. We are going to applying that changes customization through H++ code. So then these people are eligible. And for coming to that lab, what is the hardware requirement for this one? So for a hardware requirement, you need a 8 GB or 16 GB laptop. Okay, better you can go for that 16 GB. Okay, then SSD 500 GB of hard disk. Okay, processor should be a Core i5 or later. Better nowadays, everyone using that latest version Core i7 10th generation or that. Okay, you can go for that Core i7. I believe everyone having that this much of configuration, right? Hmm? Okay, yeah, good guys. Yeah, and what are the timings, the next batch when it is going to be started? Actually, I'm planning to start from this Monday. Okay, that means 16th. Okay, 16th. The time is that morning 7 a.m. IST to 8 a.m. IST. Okay, this is the batch timings. Daily 1 hour session is there. Sometimes it will extend with that 1.5 hour, or sometimes it is end with that 40 minutes. It depends upon the topic, because one topic is ended in between the 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It's a better to start new topic in on the next day. Otherwise, it will end in that between. Then we may get confused because we are all are in the learning stage. That's the reason. Okay. The course duration is that 45 hours. That means it's a maximum. It is a 2 months. Okay, 2 months, guys. Because in the in between we can get that some holidays or festivals are coming. Most of the people, majority of the people is not joined. Sometimes I work in that late nights and morning unable to attend that these sessions because of production issues or blah 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 things. Okay. So apart from this, does anyone have any questions? You are expecting something or anything from my end related to F&O?